Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be playing with some new liquid lipsticks and lip glosses by Colourpop. So Ellarie collabed with Colourpop to create her own liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. She has a Lippie Stix and also a Lippie lip pencil as well. So I went ahead and got all of the shades that she came out with. When I saw them on her, I was shook. So I went ahead and got all of these, and I also picked up the Lippie Stix and the Lippie Pencil that she also created as well. So real quick, this collection does contain 4 liquid lipsticks and 2 lip glosses, and also a Lippie Pencil and a Lippie Stix. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get straight to the point, do some swatches of these on my hand, also swatch them on my lips so you guys can see how they look on me, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. By the way, this is not one of her lippies that I have on my lips. I do have a full tutorial on this look that will be going up, I think, tomorrow on my channel, so stay tuned. Okay, so since lip glosses are the easiest to take off the lips, we're gonna go ahead and start out with the glosses. So she created 2 glosses. One is in the shade Steelo, and then the other one is in the shade Netta. So Netta is a nude, and then Steelo is a really, really pretty, like bronzy, glittery gloss. It doesn't look like it has a lot of glitter in it, so that would be a good thing because this is actually one that I could probably get away with wearing like as an everyday gloss. I'm actually gonna start out with the nude one first in the shade Netta, and I will swatch it on my hand first. Ooh, this is so pretty. I can already tell these are gonna be gorgeous. Oh, yes, that is pretty. Really pretty. And I'll have close-up swatches of everything at the end of this video. Yes, that's pretty. Ooh-wee. Let me go ahead and put it on the lips and see if it looks good on the lips. It's super creamy and like super pigmented. This gloss actually feels better than the other glosses that Colourpop has come out with. I have I think I only have 2 of them, but this one feels so much more rich, if that makes sense. Very glossy on the lips, but this is what it looks like. Let me blend it out at the top and on the sides. All right, so this is what Netta looks like on the lips. Really cute. I can dig this. Yeah, so she definitely did a good job with this color. I feel like a lot of people will get away with this without having to wear a lip liner. And now that I keep looking at it, I don't necessarily have to wear a lip liner with this, so she definitely did a good job with this gloss. All right, so I'm super excited about this next one. This is, again, in the shade Steelo. So this is that bronzy, glittery gloss. So let me see what it looks like first, because I feel like this is gonna be really pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Very like shimmery, but it doesn't look like it has a lot of, let me see. Yeah, it has a nice little sheen to it. This will actually look good as a lip topper, but let me see what it looks like by itself. One thing I am noticing about the glosses though, and that's even with the ones that I already have, is when you pull the applicator out, you don't get a lot of product on the applicator. So you have to kind of keep dipping it back in just to get some more product, but it's okay. But it does have like a pink and golden shift to it if you look at it really closely, but this is what Steelo looks like by itself. And like I said, I think this will make a really good lip topper as well, but it still looks really good by itself. So if you don't like a lot of color glosses, this will be good because it has a hint of glitter to it, a hint of pink, and a hint of like gold, but you can't really see it unless you look really closely. But I still think it looks really good on the lips by itself. So she also did a really good job with this one as well. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the Lippie Stix and also the lip pencil, because I feel like these will also be easy to take off versus the liquid lipsticks. So we're gonna save the liquid lipsticks for last. So the Lippie Stix is in the shade Ellarie, which is a matte finish. And then the Lippie lip pencil is also in the shade Ellarie. So let's apply these and see what they look like. So here is Ellarie. there. It's just a really pretty like deep cherry red. And then we have the lip pencil, which is darker than the Lippie Stix. But there's Ellarie right there. I'll actually apply the Lippie Stix first before I apply the lip pencil because I want to see how it looks without the lip pencil. Oh, this is pigmented. Alright, so there you have it. This is in the shade Ellarie once again, and this is her Lippie Stix. Very pretty. Love the red. Definitely a really good all year round color. And I like how it is a matte finish, but at the same time it feels really comfortable on the lips. Now let's apply the lip pencil around the edges to see how it looks. And like everything else, she also did a good job with the shade with this Lippie pencil. I feel like it goes perfect with this red lip. And you can also just wear this alone if you don't want to wear it around, you know, just to line your lips for the Lippie pencil. This will make a really good like vampy lip for the fall. So again, she did a good job. All right, finally moving on to the liquid lipstick, and she only came out with 4 different shades. So I'm gonna start out with the lightest shade of the bunch, which is in the shade Yoshi, and that is her daughter's name, which I think is so cute. So let's see what Yoshi looks like swatched. Let's swatch it right here. Ooh, that is like a Barney purple. Oh. I don't think I have anything this shade in my collection. Wow. This is pretty. I don't have anything this shade in my collection. It's like neon purple, like Barney purple. It's a little lighter than Barney purple, but it's bright. And I like it. This will make a really good lip color for like a spring makeup look or a summer makeup look. It's very bright, and I feel like I probably wouldn't do too much with the eyes since it's so bright on the lips, but I feel like it's a really pretty color. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so yeah, this is actually really cute. Oh, it's hard to take off. Whoa, this is hard to take off. What in the world? It's not coming off. I'm using a makeup cleaning cloth. Let me get another one. This is not coming off the lips. Probably should have grabbed. Oh my god, this is not coming off. Oh. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. I was worried. This is a struggle. We're gonna have to go fast with this. Okay, the next color is a fiery red in the shade Renmen, and I already know this is gonna be pretty because I love a red lip. Okay, this feels so much different than the Yoshi. Like the formula feels more comfortable on the lips than Yoshi. This one dried down like completely, like drying, like it felt drying on the lips. This one, it feels comfortable. Like it feels like I don't have anything on the lips. I don't know why. I guess since, I don't know. I feel like you can never go wrong with the red lips, so I'm really glad that she included red in this collection. So again, in the shade Renmen. Oh, and I forgot to swatch this one on my hand for y'all real quick. There we go. Okay, this next shade is in the shade Hennyways, and don't you just love the name? Hennyways. And this is a true brown color. It looks like the Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K. Actually, it looks just like it. Dupe. Y'all already know this shade is right up my alley because it's brown and I love brown lippies. So this looks very similar to the Kylie Cosmetics True Brown Cake. It looks a little bit darker though, but it does look pretty similar to that liquid lipstick. So this could be a really good dupe for the True Brown Cake because I don't think they have, like, I don't think Kylie has that shade on her site anymore. Every time I go on it, she doesn't have it, like the lip pencil or the liquid lipstick. So if you've been wanting that shade, get Hennyways. Last but not least, we have the shade Sessy. So this is kind of like a dark cranberry. Really, really pretty. All of these shades, like, she did good. Alright, so this is what Sessy looks like on the lips. Very vampy, very dark, and it's still a good color to wear all year round. So I feel like she did a really good job with this collection. I feel like I said that throughout the video. But yeah, those are all of the lip products that she has in this collaboration. I think they're still available on Colourpop, but definitely go on the site and check out this collection. If I had to choose which ones I like the best out of this collection, I would have to choose definitely both of the glosses because these are bomb. You guys know I love lip glosses, and this shade right here, the shade Steelo, is very different. So she did great with this. And also this shade and this shade Netta, I feel like I have tons of glosses like in this shade, but you can never have too many nudes. So these are my two favorite products from the collection. And also the shade Hennyways, love this color. Love brown. I can never get enough of brown lips. And also Yoshi, I really like this color. I just don't like the fact that, I don't know, it felt more drying on the lips than the other shades that I swatched. And it was really hard to take off the lips for some reason. I don't know if it's just because the color is so bright. Maybe they put, I don't know. I honestly don't know. But this one felt like it was the hardest to get off the lips, and it was more drying on the lips as well. But all in all, the shades are really, really pretty. She did an amazing job with this collection. I think I said that like 50 million times already, but she just did a really good job. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. You know what, while we're at it, let's go ahead and add Steelo on top of this and see what it looks like, just to see, you know. Ooh, ooh, girl, that definitely gives it more like oomph to the lips, like more shine, more plumpness. Alright guys, for real, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got your hands on this collection, if you've already tried it out, let me know your thoughts. If you like them, if you don't like them, I love to know you guys' thoughts. So let's go ahead and chit chat down below in the comments, and make sure you thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.